Hey, how you guys doing today? Today, we'll be making an Alexander Calder inspired sculpture. But since I don't have any wire, instead of being inspired by one of his mobiles, it'll be inspired by his large outdoor static abstract sculptures, dubbed stabiles. The only supplies I'll be using are cardboard, scissors, and paint. Let's get started.
I'll start by sketching out my idea, making sure that the center of gravity is well supported, otherwise it might just fall right over, and paying close attention to the overall flow and design of my sculpture. When I am done sketching out my design for the sculpture, I start tracing each piece out on some cardboard. Then I carefully cut out all my pieces. Now it's time to paint them. I start with a layer of white on all of the pieces. Then I add some color on a second layer. Here's where it really differs from the mobile. I interlock my pieces of cardboard to one another by cutting slits in them. I make 2 cuts with my scissors to create a small notch in the cardboard. It's a little narrower than the thickness of the cardboard. That gives it a nice snug fit. Then it's just a matter of assembling all the pieces together.
And there you have it, my Alexander Calder inspired sculpture. Have a nice day.